What's up, guys? Noelle and I wanted to take advantage of the nice early spring weather we're getting, so we're gonna go camping. She's currently behind the camera. I'm obviously driving right now, so we're gonna try to find a camp spot before it gets too dark. We found camp for the night. Here's the 4Runner. Little driveway there. And then over here we got a little spot to set up a tent. We can set up a tent back in that corner there. Got a little fire pit. And it sounds like we're by the river, so river or creek down there, so maybe we'll set up camp and then explore that today or tomorrow. All right, guys, camp is just about set up. We got a little fire pit here, little table. Probably start cooking dinner here soon. Got some 2 chairs. The car is up there. We got our tent over here, somewhat leveled. That's all right. We've had worse. Still gotta set everything up in here, but just figured I'd show you guys before it gets too dark. All right, we're gonna cook some Philly cheesesteaks today. All right, let's start cooking. While that warms up, we're gonna start prepping. Some avocado oil. You can tell it's not, the table is not leveled. We'll start with the peppers here. Mix that up. The onions in. While that meat's cooking down, I'm gonna season it. I think that's looking good. Throw some provolone cheese on there. Oh yeah, that looks good. Final product. Noelle already took a bite. She said it was good off camera. Here's my turn. Oh yeah, that's good. Definitely gonna make it again. Missing a few things, but not bad for the first time. Just finished dinner, getting chilly out, so we figured we'd come over here and make a fire. Let's see if that does it. I'm struggling starting this fire, because I'm gonna cheat. Alright guys, finally got the fire going. We had to use some paper we found inside the car to get it going, but burning. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this fire, then go back inside the tent and watch a movie.
Good morning.
Good morning. We just woke up, slept pretty good. Start the morning off with breakfast. I don't got a tripod yet for the GoPro, so I'm gonna throw you on the chesty and start cooking. We got some maple sausages, got some eggs, and then some hash browns. We'll get started with these hash browns. We're just gonna follow the directions on here. Like some hot water on this guy. Pan should be warmed up a tiny bit. Avocado oil on. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna call these sausages done here. I forgot Noah doesn't like yolk, so we're cracking all the yolks. She doesn't like them running. So this is turning into basically scrambled eggs. Let's use this as a bowl. The pan all cleaned up a tiny bit. There's the sausages hanging out, eggs, tiny bit of oil. Calling it done. You get first bite. That's good. We're gonna finish breakfast off. Clean up a little bit. Walk down to the creek, maybe do some fishing. All right, guys. Just had breakfast. Looked up the regulation for this creek we're on, and it's actually open for fishing, so we're gonna give it a shot. This creek is a little too small, so we're gonna swap this lure for this guy. In the pocket. All right. Apparently there's steelhead in here. I'd be very surprised if there's one holding in this right now, especially with that down tree over there. So I'm gonna try some trout, and I'm straight in the tree. All right, let's do that again. Snag again. Really small stretch you could fish. Alright guys, I changed out the Castmaster for a rooster tail. Maybe this will do the trick. Out of tree. Alright. I'm gonna see if I can get up to that. Whoa, I got boots on, but it's not very waterproof boots, so. We're gonna see how far we can make it up there. I think this is as far as I could go. My boots was already taken in water. Alright guys, I fished this little creek near camp for about 30 minutes. Didn't see any fish, no bites. We're gonna call it quits here. We're gonna head back to camp, clean up, pack up, head home. We're on our way home. We came across this little creek. Just wanted to fish it real quick. Here it is. First cast with the rooster tail. do that again. So let's hit it. Let's have it hit bottom. Pretty spot. All right, guys, switching colors, a little rainbow color. Fish. Tiny, tiny, tiny fish. There we go. Nice little fella. Wild cutthroat. There he goes. There's some bigger fish in here, I know that. I saw a few on that bridge there, so. Got another one, guys. Another tiny one. Oh, come over here, buddy. We'll let you go. Another little trout, cutthroat. You can tell by that little red under its mouth there. There it goes. All right, guys, caught two little trout. The big ones I saw up on the bridge just didn't want to hit, so just gonna end the video there. I felt bad catching those little guys, so figured I'd call it quits. Didn't want to hurt them. But yeah, I think we're gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.